Hello, welcome. In this video we are going to start playing fingerstyle, or using more fingers when we play. For this tutorial, it helps if you've been growing out your nails. I did mention that in an earlier video, but to prove that you don't need the nails, I cut mine. So if you have short nails, it's okay, it will still work. It just sounds more crisp and clear when you have nails. Please make sure that your ukulele is tuned, and let's get started. By the way, I would like to thank Amumu for sponsoring this video. I'll have a link to this ukulele and some of their other top-rated products down below. So let's learn a little bit of terminology for fingerstyle, and then you can impress your classical guitar playing friends. So this finger goes by the letter P because it's pulgar, Spanish pulgar, I or índice, M or medio, and A or anular. We will only use these four for most of the ukulele exercises we'll be doing in this channel, so those are the four to learn. P-I-M-A. P goes on G, I goes on C, M goes on E, and P-I-M-A goes on A. Oh, that's easy. P-I-M-A. So one string, one finger. I'm not going to move the thumb down to other strings for this. The thumb is only going to play here. And the key to playing fingerstyle is to not pull, but to kind of either push down with the thumb or rise with the index finger. So it's not a yanking out. It's really just kind of having the finger fall off the string or fall up. And make sure the hand is relaxed as you do this. So you don't even have to hold a chord to do this. Just try and see if you can do it. And loop it. Loop means to repeat. So loop it. If you have nails, you can make a little bit of distance and do it this way. But if you're like me and you're using just the chunky part of your fingers, you're a little closer. My cat is being a little playful. I'm sorry if you hear some noises off to the side. Let's go to C chord, the Old Faithful. I'm holding the ukulele with my index finger by the nut and C with my ring finger. If you have this, that sound, that means you're not squeezing, and that's a job both for the ring finger to like press down and the thumb on the back to help you squeeze. So use both your fingers. Stop moving the camera. Sorry guys, my cats are being crazy. This is the guilty one. She's interrupting. I'm so sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry. This is KitKat, everybody. She's the baby of the house. Alright, where were we? Go to C chord, hold the ukulele with your index finger, keep that curved. Make sure you're not touching any strings while you do that though. Don't have it down here. Look, look, look. Have it up here by the head. Okay, one finger per string. And let me move sideways so you can see this a little better. Okay. Just try the thumb real quick. Now try the index finger. It shouldn't be like this. Don't lift the string off. It should just be up. Like straight up towards the ceiling. Towards the sky. Next. Next. I'm holding C chord, so that's why that's high. So now try P-I-M-A. 1, 2, ready, go. Woo, that's out of tune. Let me tune it. Okay, let's try again. 1, 2, ready, go. I did it twice. Let's try again. 1, 2, do it twice. 1, 2, ready, go. Freeze. Relax the hands. Sometimes when we're learning something new, we get really tense. Take a few deep breaths. Another deep breath. Go to C chord. Rest each finger Okay, 1, 2, PIMA. Now let's do it 3 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3. Okay, so now you might be wondering, Miss B, this is awesome, but what do I do with it? Well, you can start adding your fingerstyle patterns to the chords that you practice. So instead of just strumming like C and C major 7 and C7, you can do a fingerstyle pattern like this. Switch. Ah, that's cool, right? And you can apply it to songs. So we did Mary Had a Little Lamb a while ago. So now you can do that with fingerstyle. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. So try using this fingerstyle pattern on things that you already know and practice. Okay, so I think the key to this one will be to kind of practice doing this without the instrument and then going to the instrument, keeping that hand relaxed. And you don't need to hold a chord to do it. It's just about having your hands learn that spacing between the strings and getting familiar with it. Do your homework, practice your favorite chords on this fingerstyle pattern, and if you know any songs, which you should if you've been following this challenge, practice playing this fingerstyle pattern on those songs. Alrighty, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Sayonara!